Hi, I'm at Hapinest. It's the end of the day and I'm very happy to be here because this is one of my favorite designers, Desiree, and she has made a set for cooking with your kids or grandkids, which I love to do, as you know from my different posts. So this is the Make and Bake cookie set. Kids love to have their own apron. She's got 4 different themes. This is the unicorn theme that's all year round, but we also have the fox for the fall, and we had a bunny for spring and the snowman for winter. And these are that beautiful corduroy that she also makes play food out of. And they each have their own set of cookie cutters, which I love. And so the unicorn, which is a wonderful theme and popular with kids, you got your unicorn, you've got a cloud, you've got an ice cream cone, a little star wand, and a rainbow. And of course, one of the best things is I've made my own cookbooks for my grandkids, but here we have our own kid-size cookbook. So it tells you your sugar cookie recipe, it gives you your instructions, and a wonderful aspect of this for languages, here are your notes, so you can make notes. Next time be sure to have butter softened, or do this or do that. So it's wonderful, and they learn obviously a lot of math and measuring and following directions. So, and here's a little pastry bag, which is kind of tricky but fun, and that's how you're going to put the really fun decorations on. And this roller, I've just asked her to make one adult size because she's made the right size depression here, so the dough is the right depth. And so kids can be successful in rolling it out. Wonderful language opportunity, wonderful play, experimenting with what mom does or dad does all the time, and now we can make yummy cookies.